You guys know how to do this question?
No.
Seems hard.
Same thing. Textbook?
Yeah. Someone go check the course hero.
Yeah, I'm gonna check the course hero.
No.
It's blurred.
Go
And
check.
I just signed up for it.
Oh, textbook absolutely has nothing.
We can call somebody.
Who?
Who are we gonna call though?
Ghostbuster.
No, calling Ghostbusters. You can call Professor Jackson.
What?
Wait, who?
Miss
Sundar?
No, better than Miss Sundar. Michael Jackson.
Yeah, I look good today. My hair's popping. Aviators on my face. Hello? What's up, girl?
Michael Jackson?
Yeah, that's me.
Hey, yeah, we're working on a physics.
Shh. Say no more. Just call my name. I'll be there.
Yeah. It's Michael Jackson, girl. Professor Michael Jackson, baby. Gonna show you some physics, girl. Check it out. Here we go. It's conservation. It got to know EI equals yeah. Under the quest screen, you see a sight that takes your energy. A rolling ball. You wanna find the final velocity. You know the height. That's when you know it has potential. You're really screwed, cause it's an incline problem, and MGH will have to equal 1/2 mv squared. PE equals KE. You're fighting for your grade inside a killer thriller quest. Some you see a ladder and realize it's static equilibrium. You know the forces and the sum of torques need to equal 0. You close your eyes and calculate the components of normal force and friction. Ooh girl, but all the while you also need to calculate the weight of the ladder. You're out of time. The sum of forces and the x and y and the sum of all the torques also need to equal 0. Static equilibrium. You're fighting for your life inside a quest tonight. 11 p.m. is near and the quest is about to close. Oh no, yeah. Why is this physics quest so freaking hard? I got bars. I got bars, girl. I got bars. Ow! They're out to get you. Those momentum questions are kinda hard. As conservation, just know that MVI equals MVN. Collision. That means that kinetic energy is not lost. Ooh girl, all through the night, I'll help you with those questions on the screen. I'll make you see that conservation, momentum, as the collision is inelastic, release some energy that's internal. Ooh, such a fool. So let me hold you tight and share a really hard chilling quest. Yeah, you fool. Physics, girl, I could teach you more than any fool could ever dare try. Physics, so let me sooner teach you and share a clicker. Yeah. Mom, I'm recording. I can help you tonight. Now it's time for random bars. The fourth planet from the sun is Mars. My voice right now is so smooth and sleek. I'll steal your girl if she hears me speak. Light and sound are also waves. Sound will bounce and echo in caves. If you drop a feather and a ball, at the same speed they will fall. In the vacuum though. Simona, Timon, Timon, ow, Timon, some.
Foul stenches in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver. For no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller.
Are omega due to the no-slip condition. Substitute it when solving those equations. Kinematics can be related to rotation. It's at the top of the hill, friction's ready to go. Potential energy goes to kinetic energy, and some becomes rotation. Speed of rolling, less than that is sliding, cause of 1/2 I omega squared r, v squared over r. Calculate the centrifugal force. D theta dt, d omega dt. Derivatives relate the functions. Physics. Rotation. Motion. For very simple shapes, I is mr squared, but this is physics. See, there are tough constants too. Rotational inertia is r squared dm. Gotta integrate it, plug in that density function. 1 foot for a rod, 2 bits for a sphere, throw them in your calculator. This momentum is L, r cross p, also times omega. Parallel axis is a theorem to find out through a different axis. Rotate at the edge, maybe through the center, it's smallest through the center of mass. Physics. Rotation. Inertia. Dot cross F, that is torque, calculated with I alpha. When you open a door, the knob is at the end, so you get more torque. R of sine theta, most rate 90, the units are Newton meter. Torque omega, watts is the unit, that's how you calculate power. Rotation.
Remember when I told you same charges repel, and you also know opposite charges attract. There are forces in between them, find the magnitude. Remember that I told you KQQ over R squared.
Potential held. I have negative charge, can show what is create, and I always let you know. Paths of charts flow from high to low.
Tell you right from the start, physics is gonna be hard. No, it doesn't matter how hard, cause you sign up for this class. Maybe you just stay where you are, and you know you have the quest. It's due tonight.
In RC circuits, time equals RC. In LC circuits, time equals L over R. And in RL circuits, current oscillates. Capacitors and inductors store energy.
E&M is very hard. You barely finish the class with all the right hand rules. They tell the directions, but you don't know what to do. And AP is coming. Someone help me.
Try to tell the flux you do use RDA. You will Gaussian walk you over halves or yards. You will end this will now be RDL. Equally not I will be I close. Pick the right surface and the right move. You can avoid doing integral now. No, I won't ever fail. The curve will be there. Even when we go through notes now, don't know what to do.
Remember when I told you I to physics C? Never the class, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I to physics C.